Hello and welcome to our fourth video of our SolidWorks from scratch tutorials. My name is Eng.Bukoola Simon. Today we are going to be creating two parts and also do the assembly where we'll be using assembly mates. So let's get started. We are creating a new part and we start by creating a new in the standard toolbar, and we are going to be saving our part as tutor 1. We are going to first create this basic extrusion, which is 100 by 20 and having a depth of 30, all in millimeters. So we do smart dimension and give it 120, and we can use relations by selecting all the lines and making them equal. So when you click and drag, you can see that our line moves proportional to what distance we move it, but you can select all the lines and make them equal and dimension only one part. You go to features, you press extrude, give it a depth of 30, press OK. So in click on shaded with edges in the view toolbar to have a look like this one. So you can zoom in and out by pressing Shift Z to zoom in and then pressing Z to zoom out. So in when you expand the Boss Extrude one, you can edit the sketch. So I'm going to be adding this round extrusion. You left click on the face, go to sketch, select the circle and click and drag to press the circle. Go to smart dimensions, give it a diameter of 70. Still in the smart dimension, we click on the circle, we click on the edge, we give it 60. We'll do the same for the other edge to make sure that our circle is in the center. We go to features, Extrude Boss, and we give it a depth of 25. Here you can merge the results. So the next part is creating the hole. We select on the face, go to sketch, and then we hover around the circle, try to pan in the center and create our circle. But you realize our circle is not in the center. So we are going to try do some relations. We drag our circle somewhere, we click on this circle, we go to convert entities so that we can have access to it in our sketch tools. Then we select both centers and we merge them. We convert this circle to construction, and then in smart dimensions we give it a dimension of 50. And then we go to features, Extrude Cut. In the end direction is set through all. The end condition is set through all. Press OK. So we are going to add these fillets. So we go to fillet and give it a diameter of 5. Select this face. Select these edges. And say OK. And so we are going to create another fillet on this other face for the round extrusion. Give it a dimensions of a radius of 1.5. Say okay. The next thing is creating the shell. We select the face, we go to shell, we give it a depth of 2 millimeters. We go short preview to see how it will look like, and then say okay. Now we are going to section to see the shell we have created. We go to section, and then we select the plane. So let's say the top plane, we drag it up to have a point where we can see the cutted edges. You can still adjust the height of the plane to have a look at those cut edges. Save our part, and then we are continuing with editing. So we can double click on the Boss Extrude to edit the depth of the first extrusion. So we can change it to 50 millimeters, and then we go to rebuild to see the effect. Now you're going to edit these fillets. So you go to edit, you click on the fillet 1, go to edit. You're going to delete the first one, and you're going to increase the radius of the fillet to 10. Then say okay. We are going to drag. We drag the rollback bar above the shell 1 feature. Then we click on the first face, give it a radius of 10. Now you can add realistic appearance to your model by using you go to shaded edges, then you go to graphics area where you can turn to real graphics view. But when you see when we try to go to realistic view, our model shows us that we don't have the graphics to do that. But if you have some good graphics for your computer, you can go on and do that. Now we go to edit material, we go to we expand the steel part, and then we go to chrome steel, stainless steel. Say apply, then close. So this is our first part. We shall be creating the next part, and then go in for the assembly. Thank you for watching.